I went through the 3-week course and eventually got accepted into Smoothstack proper.
Was there a specific determining factor for you to have joined Smoothstack versus the other options?
What drew me into Smoothstack was the company's mission. It's you don't often see a company that hires people on to train them and then deploy them out to other companies. I think it's a great way to build not just a workforce but a community. You have people that try to get into the workforce for so many years after graduating from college or even high school, and they lack the work experience that most companies really want for even an entry-level position. I think it's really great that Smoothstack really gives you that opportunity and that chance to build your work experience with them, so that even if you don't stay with Smoothstack, you have the work experience that these companies are looking for.
How would you describe Smoothstack to someone else?
I actually described this to a friend. Smoothstack is an organization that really looks to train you up to give you the knowledge to actually excel in the tech industry, and then deploys you out so that you get that work experience that everyone so desperately desires. Smoothstack is not just a company, it's a community. You get to meet people that you normally would not meet, and you get to pick their brains, you get to learn from them, you get to grow with them. And it's just a good place to build yourself up to the career that you really want.